Hi. Um, Today's September 20. It's 5:06, which means they left it really, really late. And I got 3 packages. So it's time to open it up and see if I got the correct stuff. There should be a 1TB black titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max. Oh, well, here's the Apple Watch. What about this box? Here's my black 16 Pro Max MagSafe case. I didn't get the clear this year because last time I got the clear case it was really dirty. This box should contain the iPhone. Important paperwork. And the iPhone box. iPhone 16 Pro Max, black titanium, 1TB. Yeah, seems right. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is supposed to be a little bigger than the 14 Pro Max. So hopefully, it's good. I almost dropped it. I'll take the phone out and put it to the side because every unboxer always puts the boring stuff first. Okay, so here's the SIM card ejector and the braided USB Type-C cable. And it's kind of long. I should also take out the SIM card ejector. It's very small. Before I fully open the iPhone, I'll open the case. Wait, is there only one peel tab? That's kind of boring. The case has an area for the camera button. And I'll start recording with my iPad so I can transfer stuff over. Okay. Here's the 16 Pro Max. It looks very shiny and clean for now. In Australia, they still have the SIM card slot, so I better eject it. This phone is made of titanium, so it's quite durable. They're basically the same size. Just kidding, I can't even tell where the other one went because it's only 6.9 inches instead of the 6.7. Time to eject my SIM card. Okay, now the SIM card's installed. I'll put on the case. It's very shiny and smooth. Titanium is supposed to be lighter than the stainless steel. Okay, it's turning on. Hello. I should really put that back in for your phone. English. Set up new phone for the account. Yes. Now I've got to scan the code. I mean, it's a little bigger, but like not that much. They should have just made it the full 7 inches instead of 6.9. Setup for me. Continue setup on other iPhone. Create a password. This paper was not satisfying, but I get they're trying to be more better for the environment. I almost said economy. Data on privacy, continue. I'll set up Face ID later. Continue data transfer. Agree. Wow, it's setting up so much. Make this your new iPhone. Yes, continue with that. Transfer everything. More agreeing to uselessness. How did they even get this in the box? Like, it doesn't close properly. Okay, Olivia. You're running out of iCloud storage. So is everyone ever. No, I would not pay the subscription for that. Sure, they can have my analytics. Sure, app developers can have analytics. You can now toggle silent mode on and off, or check its status in the control center. Okay. Action button. Press and hold to turn silent mode on and off. You can also customize the action button to open camera, turn on torch, or access your favorite iPhone feature. Why would I have it open camera when there's a whole camera button now? Not now, which I probably won't customize. Camera control. Click camera control to open your camera app, then click again to use the camera shutter. Camera controller shutter. Continue. Wow, it's showing the camera button. Where is that? Emergency SOS, sure. Transferring data. Okay. Transferring between the stuff. About 5 hours remaining. I know I had used like basically a whole terabyte, but like seems like a lot. I mean, one time. But yeah, I deleted like half of my stuff, so that way it wouldn't take so long. It's not time to open my watch, but like, might as well make sure it's the right one. Yeah, that's right. Where did my phone case box go? Apple stopped giving the Apple stickers this year, which was the whole reason I bought their phones and stuff. Okay, that's a little bit of a lie. It's definitely not just because of that. I should take out this disgusting, obsolete USB lightning cable, because who even uses those? Ignoring my AirPod Pro 2nd Gen uses it. I'll plug in my USB Type-C cable into my charging brick. It's a tiny bit taller, but not really that noticeable. Maybe over time, once I get used to it, it will seem a lot bigger. Still about 6 hours. Guess they had a beard line up. They definitely cut me. I guess we'll just cut to when it's done. Like how I got cut during my beard lineup. My old phone's camera was bad with RGB. This one has gotten a bit better. But it still struggles with the RAM. Maybe. Actually, when I focus, it's fine. So that's a big upgrade from my other PC. You can see the fingerprints and how dirty it is. I mean, phone, not PC. I had basically fully edited the video before, but then it had crashed, so now I have to re-edit it into DaVinci Resolve. Hope it doesn't crash when I've basically fully finished this video. Bye. I sent Carter PC's DM saying that I beat him and got my phone before him, and he read it but never replied. That's kind of sad. But he has replied to me in the past, so I guess I'll forgive him this time.